Let us go with the first problem based on speed, time and distance. It's very simple one, right? Let us check out what this, right? Convert 36 km per hour into meter per second, right? What we need to do, first of all, see, it's very simple one. We need to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, right? To convert that, what we need to do, first of all, we should know. So for 1 kilometer, how many meters? That is 1000 meters, right? Right. For 1 hour, how many seconds? That is 60 into 60, which is going to be 3600 seconds, right? See, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So that's what we need to convert. We need to multiply these two things to get in terms of seconds per hour, right? Now to convert 36 km per hour to meter per second, just convert it. Kilometer, I'll convert it into meter, that becomes 1000 here, that divided by 3600. So now simplify it here, 2 zeros, right? Correct. Next is what? 36. 2 zeros here cancelled, right? Now 36 ones are 36 ones are. The remaining was 10 meter per second. The answer here is 10 meter per second, right? Or otherwise, instead of calculating everything, see what you can, whenever you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you just multiply by what? Let us check out here. 1000, that divided by 3600. These 2 zeros you cancel, 2 5s are 2 18s. Multiply by 5 by 18. Kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. If it is meter per second to kilometer per hour, then what we need to do? 18 by 5 we need to multiply. Hope you understood, right?